always be ready. Oh, you about to make some good content right now. Come on, let's go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Deja Denise, and today I have a special guest with me.
Special guest I am.
My boyfriend Joseph. So we're going to be doing the gingerbread decorating challenge, gingerbread house decorating challenge. So this is what we got. You ready to get beat up on?
I'm loose.
Okay. Oh, this is the candy from my Lunchable.
Halloween.
Not Halloween, from my Lunchable the other day, but it's M&M's.
Don't spill my coffee.
Your coffee. I got coffee too.
Hey now. Okay. Yeah, that was uncomfortable.
Where's that's my candy. Where's your candy?
Oh.
Trying to cheat already? Oh, damn. I mean, dang. Look at these.
My candy.
This is our candy.
Yeah.
Like, it smells like dog food.
Oh, it smells like gingerbread.
Yeah.
Lick the icing. Oh, that's not appropriate.
What the heck? Look at this. Looks like a...
Hey, can I see a picture? What this
The
is supposed to look like?
The instructions are on the back. Ours both looks different. Because of the candy.
Okay, so,
This should not be this hard.
do you heat it up? Did you read it?
When is the expiration date? It says no bacon required. I'm still reading. I'm over here winning.
Don't believe it. Time.
Wait a minute.
So you're just gonna put your icing on the inside?
Why you minding my business? These are windows. Mind your business.
So guys, basically, Deja challenged me to this gingerbread contest, but what she failed to realize is that I don't lose. I mean, at the end of the day, I hope that she still loves me.
See, I don't do no talking.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, do no talking. My thing is very unstable.
Can't hear you over all this winning I got going on, all this creative. Oh, don't look at my frosty. Nah.
Why your frosting look melted? No, it's like
Cause you didn't need it. It said to need was love and affection. I need love and affection. That was unintended. Pun intended. It'll make for good content.
It makes for great content. Ah! Dashing through the snow. I don't want worse. Oh, this way. You hear those vocals?
Yeah.
Babe.
Mm.
What you doing?
What?
You don't even have your house together.
You do your method. I do mine.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I wish my icing came out right. This icing is salty? Did you taste this?
Did you taste it?
This icing has my stomach hurting. I'm not eating this. You know I got this one for $50. So. Ah! Did I make you jump? I don't want this to get us out of my braids.
Hey, if you like, click the link below, subscribe, hit the like button. Hit the like button.
We 14 minutes in and you have not built anything. You don't even have your cardboard for your thing. Because when we're done, we're going to move this.
Babe, I'm not even stacking it. Like, I'm not putting it together yet. See, that's your problem. You can't play by the rules.
Oh. So I think I'm going to do it like this so that it looks like snow. Don't try to take my idea. Stay over there.
See,
built a gingerbread house before?
No. Am I not supposed to be putting all this icing on there?
It is your house.
Oh, I'm not.
You do whatever you want.
I don't put icing on the.
You know you need icing to like hold it together.
Ah, makes sense now.
Looks like I'll be winning. I was gonna say the loser has to eat that pig feet, but you like that.
Oh man, I give up. Pig feet. Any of my followers out there like Southern delicacies? North Carolina.
North Carolina.
I can tell you used to
Come
listen
on
to Petey
and
Pablo
raise.
like on repeat.
I'm dropping everything on these really good.
Versace carpet.
On the Versace carpet. Not the Versace. Okay, my house is. Okay, let me. You should have got a ponytail holder.
Ponytail holder. That didn't come in the kit. That's cheating.
So my hair not in this?
Oh, clear your hair.
Maybe I should use the icing.
God, don't like that. So if you did it the way I tried.
What is happening? This is a joke. Where are these vocals coming from tonight?
I ain't all the way reached there yet. You gotta
Why
cover
you
the-
over here?
You gotta cover the. Yo, that's frustrating.
I know.
Who made this?
That was that bad. That was that bad karma for you talking about mine falling down.
Back in 5th grade, I won the gingerbread house building contest.
Why you gonna lie? You told them earlier in the video that you ain't even do it before.
I don't do it amateurly. I'm not an amateur. I'm a professional. Is your house supposed to be crooked? I'm confused. Is that an angle? You talking about me paint? I'm not. It's yours.
Hey.
It's yours.
That's my attic window. My icing is not tubing out like it's supposed to. So you stay over there.
You gotta make it do what you gotta make it do.
Like.
Let's see.
You talking a whole bunch of trash, and your cottage looks like
My
trash.
cottage.
Well, it says
My cottage.
It says
My cottage.
It says cottage.
Where did we go a couple weeks ago? The Biltmore? This is a miniature Biltmore. Don't play with me. You don't want no smoke.
Your house looks. Look at all this hair.
It's okay, babe. Don't get frustrated. There can't be two winners. If you want to give up, it's okay. Just give up. I would too if my house looked like that. It's okay. So all my followers, all her followers, vote my house. Oh, see, y'all not even seeing the goodness. Y'all seen that old barnyard side of the house. Let me give y'all that. Oh yeah, there you go. Looks probably the same, but hey.
You gave a 360 of the same thing. Hey, we saving these. That's a good candy.
Kinda like
Don't
I got
be a
icing.
diva. Don't be a diva.
Can you open all of them? Raindrop. Drop top. Those are the nerds on my top tops. It's not working. It's not staying. See, I gotta place these in.
Talk about on the Versace.
See, can you guys see that? Okay, I'm not gonna take all of it.
That looks.
Wow. I wanna place mine like you do yours.
Oh, I know you do. You trying to be like the champ?
Oh, that's what you do with that.
Don't try to steal my stuff.
Oh.
I'm a copycat.
I don't even want that.
No, you must be done.
Okay. All right, done.
Okay, explain your home.
All right, this is the Vista. So, equipped with the door, with the red door knob, like red door, because it's like, you know, you can get your lingeries and stuff up in here.
What?
Nothing. And the nerds on the top. It was raining gumdrops and gumballs, and it's falling apart.
Something fell.
So
What
we not
fell?
doing nothing. Everything's strategically placed. So yeah.
That's your house?
That's my house.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the clean out the construction site. So we're just gonna call this the palace. Okay. Can you start in the front, please?
Is this the front?
No, this is the. Come to the front.
What is the back? Sorry.
Come to the front of the palace. Okay. So this is the moat. So there's fishes in the moat. Excuse me. There are fish in the moat. They're all different colors. You know.
Look at them.
Got those in straight out of Japan, actually. And then. Well, no, so only a few of them are orange. Wait, hold on, come back to my front yard. And then I have like 2 flower gardens, beautiful. And then at the top, you know, come to my roof. Very festive with the green and the red and the white Christmas. That's my Christmas lights on my house, on the palace. This is just some cute structure, very Victorian, you know. Very Victorian.
Look at the side.
Okay, don't look at the side. Okay,
no.
all right.
All right.
Okay, guys, so you tell us.
Hold on, one more thing. Look at the details on the brick. Look at that. Look at the brick. Brick.
Okay, guys, so you tell us who won. Is it his or is it mine? His is more creative. Mine is very simple. Less is always more. So, hey, what you call yours?
Vista.
So let us know if the Vista won or if the Palace won. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.